Guys, welcome back to Eat East Indian channel. Thank you for supporting our channel through these tough times. Today I present to you super yummy, delicious lemon garlic asparagus. I have here asparagus which I'm going to cut in bite-sized pieces. You can cook asparagus as such. You can remove these thick skin off if you'd like. Otherwise, smaller, tender the stems, easier it is to cook it. Some people cook it whole. You can boil it, you can grill it, you can steam it. I'm going to show you how I make it. I'm going to remove these bottom parts, which is a very thick. It's almost like wood, so small portions will be chopped off from the bottom. I've cut it into bite-sized pieces and we are going to heat pan. Once it's hot, you will melt some butter on it, about 2 tablespoons. You can just use the oil as well. Butter lends a nice taste to the dish, and these days I'm craving something comforting. So butter is on. We will add in chopped up asparagus pieces. We will make sure that asparagus is well coated with the butter, and that's where all the flavor will come from. Asparagus cooks really fast, 4 or 5 minutes at the most. So once it's well coated with the butter, we will add in garlic. Minced garlic works great. So a tablespoon of minced garlic. You can also use whole chopped garlic that you will add in along with the butter. Alright, mixing in garlic. We will add in some salt so that moisture from the asparagus can be released so that it can cook a little faster. Once you've added in salt, again give it a quick mix. Then cover the pan and let asparagus become tender. You can keep it al dente, so keep it a little stiff, or you can let it cook all the way through. I like it medium, so I'll let it become a little tender. It will change color, it will soften, it will be easier to eat. You can check one if you prefer. That's it. Within few minutes your dish is ready. Add in lemon juice on top. So 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Mix it well. Let it stand for a couple minutes and then it's ready to be enjoyed. It's a great side dish. It's good for snacking. Thank you for watching this dish. If you like it, share it with friends and family and keep watching Eat East Indian channel. Thank you guys. Have a good day.